Stephan from Stephan Media. Another segment of Bag Check. Here we go again. All right. A common question that is asked within the stock community, especially for beginners, is what should I invest in? There's 1,000 companies out there. Okay. A nice way to start. It's not the best way, but a good way to get your investment strategies rolling. A good way to start is to look around your house and look at the products that you're already buying. If you're buying product, you're kind of investing in them already, except one thing. It's been a one-way relationship, meaning you buy the product and the company makes the revenue, and you just get to use their product that they sold to you at a high rate. The way to make it a two-way relationship, a two-way transaction, as they say, is you can still buy their product, but also buy shares within the company. Like I said, you can start by looking around your house. Let's say if you like Nike, if you believe in buying the Nike shoes and the Nike apparel and the Nike jumpsuits, you can also buy Nike shares. With that, when Nike makes money, you make money, okay? And most of the companies pays a dividend every quarter, sometimes even every month with certain companies, but you get a certain percentage paid off every share, okay? So with that said, as you build up your portfolio in stocks and shares, they'll pay you X amount of dollars for that. With that money, with your dividends, you can either reinvest it within the company and buy more shares, or you can take that, if it's enough, and start buying Nike apparel with the dividends that you're making. Granted, it costs a lot, okay? But once again, this is long-term growth. This isn't a short-term thing. I'll get into short-term strategies at a future segment, but this is more long-term. If you look at most companies out there, you look at the good companies out there, the stock moving only one direction. I'll get into that with the next video. But regardless, like I said, look around your house. If you believe in, if you buy Palmolive or Tide, maybe, just maybe, you should invest in Procter & Gamble, okay? Once again, you can buy the shares and buy the product. Once again, it's a two-way transaction where you're making some of the money as well as Procter & Gamble or Nike or whomever else you could think of that you're already investing in already. You're already buying the product, okay? So you believe in the product already, right? Therefore, maybe you should buy the stock as well, okay? This was an awfully short tip. I want to keep them down to a minute or two, okay, to give a lot of tips in a short amount of time, okay? With that, you'll learn quite a bit through time. Once again, this long-term growth, just like the stock market, long-term growth. This isn't a one-hitter quitter. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I believe me and Will have something going on here that's doing pretty good. So, thank you. Goodbye.